Hi everyone, it's Danni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little box of happy mail to share with you guys. This is a package from Mumsy and Bub and I have no idea what's in here. So I know it's a TN, but I'm not sure which. So let's have a look together and open her up. So we have the cotton bag that they always include with their traveler's notebooks, which is always appreciated. Business card with a little note on the back from Kat. So according to the note, we have a new colour in the B6 in here, and it's looking like it might be green, and some other bits and pieces. Okay, let's open this baby up. And here we go. This is Shamrock. B6 Shamrock. It is a beautiful emerald green. What a gorgeous color for Christmas. Beautiful evergreen. Absolutely stunning. It has cream elastics and cream stitching by the looks of it, which just complement it absolutely beautifully. And the inside is cream as well, which is really nice. I don't think I have one that has a contrasting color on the inside. It's just really nice. I like that. Really makes the scalloped pocket stand out. What a lovely color. They've done a really good job with this one. I really like that. There you go. Just like the other B6, we have the beautiful scalloped pockets with the card pocket in the front, the lovely suede interior, 6 strings, and a pen loop. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're looking for a green TN, this would be a really beautiful option. And I do always get a lot of questions about color comparisons, so I will show you what it looks like next to my other ones. So this is my Lilac Mist B6, and this is my Fire and Ice B6. So there you go, you get a bit of an idea of color comparison. It's a little bit dark here today. We have got a storm coming over by the looks of it, so hopefully the colors are showing up correctly. If not, I'll be putting posts up on Instagram anyway, so check my Instagram. The link is in the description below if you want to see still shots. And I'll grab my 2 A6s as well, may as well. This is Poppy and this is Milk Tea. So there you go, a bit of a color comparison. Trying to get the lighting to cooperate. There you go. Looks beautiful with Milk Tea, doesn't it? Gosh, absolutely stunning. Okay, let's have a look at these other goodies. I think these are postcards, a couple of business cards, and a card about the VIP group. If you're not a member, definitely head over there. So we have some postcards. We have the Planner Girl postcard, which I already own. So that's going to go straight in my little giveaway pile. And this one is pretty cute. It's a little princess castle scene. That's lovely, so adorable. It'd be so sweet for a little girl. And then last but not least, our Hogwarts Harry Potter card. Awesome. How gorgeous is that? I love Harry Potter. I'm a big fan. I'm a Ravenclaw, in case you're wondering. Slytherin! If you're a Slytherin, this would be amazing. I can't believe I didn't even think of that. If you are looking for a Slytherin themed TN, this is the color. It's perfect. How cool would that be? I'm not. I'm a Ravenclaw, so and I'm not that big a fan of blue, so I don't have a Harry Potter themed TN. But this is a really nice color scheme. I love this postcard. I'm definitely going to be using that. I will leave all the links to the Mumsy and Bub shop in the description box. I'll leave the link to the VIP group down there. Don't forget to use my discount code if you're going to make a purchase, because you will get 10% off, which is a nice little discount. It is Danni10. I will leave that in the description below as well. They have a bunch of different sizes, A6, B6, A5, and I know for a fact there is a new pocket size coming, and it may or may not have glitter on it. So definitely keep an eye out for that one, because I'm so pumped for that. As you guys know, I am in a pocket size for my everyday carry, so I have been waiting for this one for so long. I'm so excited about it. So definitely head over and join the Facebook group, follow the Instagram page and whatnot, and you'll see updates from me anyway if you follow me regularly. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little haul. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.